In this guide, I'm going to explain how the prestige system works here in Attack on Titan Revolution on Roblox and why it is worth doing. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to prestige, you need to reach level 100 and fill your XP bar out completely way down here. Once you do it, your level resets back to 0, and each time you prestige, the requirement increases by 25 levels. There's 5 prestiges total, and each prestige gives you a permanent bonus. You could choose between 7.5% luck increase, 15% XP increase, or 15% gold increase, depending on what you need. You can also max your level by 25 each time, so it goes from 100 up to 225, which means more overall power long term. You also unlock memories, which gives you more build options and extra progression, and on top of that, some of your gold converts into gems when you prestige, and the higher you prestige, the better the conversion. As you keep prestiging, farming becomes way faster because all of your boosts stack, so even though you reset your level, it is built for long-term gains. If you plan to play seriously, you should definitely go for every single prestige. I'm just being honest with you guys. If you have any questions, though, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.